Yo, what's up, OBS family? We back at it again with another video. This time, as you guys saw in the title, the OBS, we got a fucking drag pack. Drag pack, I guess it's some like wheels for like more for like racing and stuff. Some drag tire in the back. I got some Mickey Thompsons. The R15s in the back and 17s in the front. I'm excited. You know, I've been looking for a drag pack for a while, but I've just been so picky about it. I saw these on Instagram from a shop in Texas. They had it in stock. I liked how they look on the OBS, and they shipped them out to me. It took about 4 days. We got it. They are called Spike Performance. They're located in Pasadena, Texas. Shout out to Spike Performance. Let's show you guys the truck, let's show you guys the wheels, and let's install them. Let's get it. Before I show you guys the wheels, if you guys been seeing my YouTube for a while, first I had some 22 weld rims. They weren't really for racing though, because you know it was a big rim, size 22. They were like kind of on low pro tires and stuff. I got rid of them to one of the homies. I sold it to him. After that, I went back to the 454 stocks. You know, you can't go wrong with the look, but it's time. It's a much needed. I need to change up the wheel setup, make the truck look different. I love my new rims that I got. I just haven't seen how they look on my OBS. I've seen how they look on other OBSs. Their OBS in Texas had them, but they were in black. I got the chrome. I got all chrome wheels. Let's install them. Let's see how they look. Alright, for those of you who don't know what the 454 rims, these are the 454 rims. They came with the 1990 through 1992 454 SS. So that was my wheel setup for a couple months, or actually like a year. So that's why I said I got tired of them and it was time for a drag pack. And now it's time to reveal the new rims that I got. Shout out to my compa, MBS Auto Detailing. He came through because it was really dusty. You know, that's my go-to guy for my car washes. It was really dusty, but now it's way better. It's looking way better. So yeah, let me show you guys the rims.
Luego para el hombre quiere verse así me quemo. Hace la prueba de fuego, haz de cuenta soy de cero. Antes me hacían a un lado, ahora soy el mero bueno. Pensaban que no podía, pero les puse el ejemplo.
Alright, so you guys seen the rims. They are billet specialties. I think they're called Alpines. So these are the back tires right here, wheels. They are 15 by 10. And then we got the Mickey Thompsons in the back to get more traction. And these right here are 17 by 7s, and we do have regular street tires for the front. So now it's time to mount these bad boys on the truck. Let's get it.
Que se la tiran de bravo, si andan en la calle todos pinches paniqueados. Presumen que tienen varias pistolas, pero jamás las han tronado. Yo no le rezo a ni un santo, y si me buscan aquí me van a andar paseando. Por los rumores de la gente mitotera que por mí andan preguntando. Voy a forjarme buen cigarro, sus olores mi mente va relajando.
Alright, so you guys saw us install it on the truck. Now it's time to show you guys a better view. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna show you guys a better view. Let's get it. Here's the final view of the wheels on the truck. Let's give it a 360. I am really happy with the purchase. They look amazing. Get a big tire in the back. use those wires. I gotta put them up there so they won't be hanging like that. Here's the other side. Sheesh. Big upgrade for sure. What do you think, Alegre? Better than the other ones, huh? It's looking good. The OBS is finally at its prime with some badass wheels. Thank you again, Spike's Performance in Pasadena, Texas, for shipping these rims out to me and making this possible. First, I was afraid about the wheel hitting on my bed, but it's perfect. Check it out. It's not even touching it. Before I painted my OBS, I did have some thick wheels like that, and I hit a big bump. It hit my bed. My bed cracked from there to there. So that's why I was afraid. But we got perfect clearance. You know, like I said, the 17's in the front. I could turn. It doesn't hit or nothing. It's perfect. But there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the look. And this is how it's going to stay for a while. Now we're going to go test them out. We're going to see if we really get more grip on those Mickey Thompsons. My boy will probably record me while he's outside, and then we'll do like a good dig, and then we'll do a roll. So like an empty street. And yeah, we're going to test these wheels out. Let's see how it does. Let me show you how it's sounding right now. It's not a cold start, but that's the second point of view, so let's get it. Okay, so that was the little burnout. I know you guys can see, like, when my truck pops, like when it's completely stopped and I gas it, it gives a pop. I think that's because of the throttle body I have right now. It's like a, you know, it's like a little cheap one. I have to upgrade that and then retune it, and I think it'll stop doing that. I remember one of like my boys told me about that, so I gotta get that fixed, and after that it should be running. It should be running real good. So yeah, you guys seen the wheels, the tires. Let me know what you guys think down below. But this vlog is not over. Remember, we're still gonna attend a trucking treat. So later on, we're gonna go to, I think, like Party City. We're gonna buy like some stuff to put on this truck and decorate it. So you guys stay tuned. You guys wait for that, and let's go. Alright, so it's already nighttime, Compa Alegre. We pulled up to Party City. The side door? Where the fuck is the entrance at? It's probably on the other side. What the fuck? Well, let's see if you're right. Where's it at? All the way in the corner. There you go, way. Damn, we parked far as hell. So we're here to get some car web. I think it's that, actually. This? Yeah, it's this. Oh no. Toil spider webs. Yeah, it's this. Alright. We secured the web. These bitches were like $10 each. And we're about to put it on the mamadona. Let's get it. We're about to put it right now so we can pull up with it. Oh, but that shit's weird, huh? O se puede jalar.
Sí, güey. Abre esta madre, mira.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna not record while we put it on. I'm gonna show you guys the results because I gotta help him. All right, so we put the spider web around, you know, just something little so they can see that we participated in this October theme. But yeah, let's start going to the meet. Hopefully this doesn't fly out, but let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, as soon as we were about to go into the meet, we saw like 3 cops and everybody was coming out already, so we didn't even bother to go in. So we're gonna see if there's gonna be a second spot, so stay tuned. That's just bad. That's that new that's that new shit right there. I said the cops pulled up to the other spot, so we got to the second spot. It's right here in Carson. Everybody's pulling up. But yeah, we parked right here next to the light so we could get some good pictures in. TVSS. Hit it again, hit it again. Yeah, this ran hard. Otra vez. Oh yeah. Come on, hard. Close to the meat, the metal. Oh, bye. You went to the other spot? Yeah, they got motherfucking hard. That Jeep. Yeah, this shit's packed though. Good scat pack. You know, it's a truck and car meet. They don't discriminate. Damn. Fuck. GMC, is that tow? Look at that's tow right there, bro. Hey, wait! Park next to me. I'm right there. I'm literally right here. Park. Go. Don't let these fools beat you. Go. Písale esa madre, wey. Yes. Dale. Ah, perro! Man, this shit's bad though. Nardo Gray? Say what's up to the vlog. You wanna go on the vlog? Where's the truck at? I'm gonna record it. I was pulling up literally, bro, and I saw the cop. Yeah. Oh, that shit's burnt. Hey, but did you take it off for it or? Just for the look, huh? Fuck it. Got another TBSS. Catching the truck. This is hard. Oh shit, like a whole TBSS club right here. That's hard. They put it together. We got a little OBS right there hiding, but I see it.
For your music, we need you guys to cut it, man.
Damn, show the hoodie. Show the hoodie. Sheesh. My twin right here, his name's Tote. I've been following his build since day 1. I'm gonna show you guys his interior. Hey Tote, show us the start lights for the vlog.
I disconnected it right now.
Why?
Because I took off the dome light.
Yeah, they connected to that way.
Yeah.
But yeah, he got his own interior for me. All the OBS is pulling up. What's up with this? Una nueva? This is for the vlog right here. Chupaditas truck. And let's see. Step side. Good lineup right here, all red. Alright, so the meet's ending already, so we're about to take off. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this YouTube video once again. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels. We hit that Halloween meet. It was good, successful. We just forgot to get candy for the kids. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to watch. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the truck. I'll answer all of your guys' questions. And thank you again, OBS family. Till next time, let's get it.